Today we will be cooking eggplant breakfast recipe. First, we peel 2 eggplants. In a pan, we add 100 milliliters of olive oil. Then we cut the eggplants for frying. We add them in the pan to fry. We add salt 3 grams. Fry them for around 5 minutes on both sides. We smash and cut into small pieces to garlic cloves. We add them on top. Then we add bacon on top, around 150 grams. Cheese around 150 grams. And sesame 50 grams. Bake for 10 minutes at 150 degrees. Thank you for watching.